Today I'm in the Belgian countryside in an area called Limburg, which is just outside of Hasselt. And I'm at a Michelin restaurant called Vous Lé Vous. And also we have a spectacular sauna in the middle of the garden here where guests can come and enjoy wellness at this wonderful facility. So no matter what the weather is outside, rain or snow, it doesn't matter. When you come inside, you have a wonderful space to come in and relax. So when you first enter the Eclipse sauna in this custom unit, what we have is a vestibule changing area. You can sit down, take off your shoes, disrobe, and come into this area here, which is on one side we have the traditional sauna where we have the double bench, and these are slatted in the hemlock slats. And then behind us here we have the salt wall and the traditional heater against that wall. Now these are color changeable LEDs behind the salt wall and along the lower bottom of the bench. On the other side we have the ergonomic infrared lounger bench. Our proprietary full spectrum heaters are fully adjustable in addition to being immediate heat up. So when you turn them on, they're ready to go right away. They're also absolutely adjustable, so you can put the heat down or you can turn up the intensity as well. This Eclipse sauna, being a combination custom unit, is going to offer you anything you're looking to achieve, from traditional sauna use to infrared and full relaxation in the loungers.